Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zack face creation. First, navigate to the head editing section. For the hair, select the flat top fade style and choose a rich brown color. Make sure the hair length is set to 0 and leave both the hair pattern and fade as no texture. Next, move to the skull settings, selecting skull type 3. Set the skull width to 10 and the skull height to 0 for the base shape. Moving on to the brow, select brow type 4. You'll then adjust its 4 sliders to 20, 11, 20, and 20 respectively. For the eyebrows, choose style 8 and a brown color. Next, let's refine the ears. Select ear type 8. The ear settings should be 14, 11, 2, and 10. Finally, for the eyes, pick eye type 4, a hazel color, size 8, and distance 14. Set the eye angle to 14, followed by 0, 20, and 4 for the remaining eye sliders. Now let's focus on the nose. Choose nose type 15. You will then adjust its 6 distinct sliders. Set these values to 8, 0, 10, 17, 17, and 10. This combination helps achieve the desired nose shape. Moving to the cheeks, keep them on the default setting. After that, you will find 2 sliders for the cheeks. Set the first to 10 and the second to 6. These adjustments contribute significantly to the overall facial structure. For the mouth, select mouth type 2. Adjust its 6 sliders to 8, 7, 0, 0, 14, and 16. The upper and lower teeth settings are less critical and can be left as they are. Next, for facial hair, choose number 3, a brown color, and stubble type 2. For the chin, keep it on default. Then, set its 5 sliders to 0, 8, 0, 10, and 2. Conclude by selecting skin type 9 for the character's complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.